Alright, this video is if you're laying pergo floorboards or whatnot. How do you make a round cut when you don't have a jigsaw or a little spinny blade? I've drawn the circle because it's going to go around the back of the toilet. It doesn't have to be perfect because with the toilet you can leave a ½ inch around. And what we're going to do is make a bunch of little cuts that line up with the end of the circle. So you got your chop saw. I put some wood blocks here to get about the distance I want. I'm going to slide it over just a little bit. Just keep sliding and getting close to that circle edge as you can. Always be careful. I got eye protection. I got dust mask. Alright, now you got the basic circle outline there. Unplug your chop saw, plug in your little oscillating tool or Dremel or what have you, and we're just gonna cut those right out there. You can kind of do it on an angle to get it started. You want to try and make it as round as you can, but the toilet's going to cover it so no one's ever going to see it. And I need to change my blade because it's pretty much shot, but you get the gist of it. So you just cut all those edges off there. Sometimes you can even just snap them off, and then that'll be a round edge for your toilet.